Hello, TheArcTurnian. Welcome back to our channel, TheArcTurn. Today we are going to go in a train called Kairi from Sakata station to Murakami station, from Yamagata Prefecture to Niigata Prefecture. And let's see the train. The Kairi itself is a new hybrid diesel configured with 4 cars providing service between Niigata and Sakata, expressing a dynamic fusion of the setting sun and fresh snow using color gradation. The exterior was designed to become the newest addition to the Niigata landscape. The exterior of the train is designed with a gradation of colors from sunset orange to white, which is reminiscent of fresh snow and aims to create a sense of unity with the scenery by incorporating outdoor light. The sea and village life are prominent characteristics of Niigata Prefecture and the Shonai region of Yamagata Prefecture, with the idea of passengers enjoying wonderful seafood and village cooking while gazing at picturesque panoramas. The Kairi was named for the sea, Kai, and villages, Ri. Unlike the teahouse districts of Kyoto and Kanazawa, the Furumachi Kagai, where Niigata's ryotei restaurants are scattered, is a large-scale traditional hanamachi geisha district that flourished mainly with restaurants and is the best in Japan. With all of this amazing food culture, Kairi offers a seasonal menu of elaborate Japanese cuisine unique to Niigata, prepared by selected 3 restaurants with a history and prestige that has continued for over 100 years. Niigata Prefecture and the Shonai region of Yamagata Prefecture are very rich in sea and villages. That's what you see throughout the journey. Make sure if it's in the evening time, try to sit on the west side if you get a seat, because you would see wonderful ocean view while the sun is going to set. The tour will offer Italian cuisines with the Chicano, founded in 2000 by top Japanese chef Masayuki Okuda, and an assortment of dolls from Farni Namore Dolls, a specialty doll store. The concept of the train is food of Niigata, food of Shonai, and landscape of the Sea of Japan. Car number 4 is dining vehicle exclusively for travel products with meals. Kairi provides meals in the car that will make you feel the charm. Enjoy a high quality trip while gazing at the beautiful scenery of the Sea of Japan. Hope you enjoy this journey with us. as always, do subscribe to our channel, share, post, like, comment on our videos. See you later.